hero who almost single-handedly saved the planet Earth from the war world. He saved your lives. He saved our lives. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Blue Beetle.
Thank you. Thank you all. But it is I who should express gratitude to you, Ambassador, for giving a normal, average human being like me the power of the Reach. The power to save the world.